Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a cool song here from NEFFEX called Things Are Gonna Get Better. So that's a great feeling to think like that. Things can always be better. So this one has 4 chords and it's about one strumming pattern on one melody, and that's it. That will go round and round for this song here. We need to start with our capo set here on the 3rd fret. And we have the following chords. A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the next chord will be G, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The next chord will be D7 sus2. That, so it's open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be F. So you need to bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And those are the chords in this order that will go round and round: A minor, G, D7, sus2, and F. Alright, so I illustrated the first melody here, or I mean the only melody we have in this song, and I also showed you how to play the strumming pattern. So I'm going to go through that right now, starting with the melody, and I'm going to show you and give you the notes for each chord separately. So let's start with the A minor. It sounds like this. Okay, so you start with the open A string and gonna play that together with the open E, and then you play 2 more times on the open A. Okay, so together. Then you play the 1st fret B string, and then you're gonna play 4 times on the open A. Okay, and that's it for A minor. So let's play through that slowly again. Yeah, next chord will be G, and that part sounds like this. Okay, pretty much the same pattern there. So different notes, and that is 3rd on E string here in the bass, together with the 3rd fret B string. And then you play 2 more times on the 3rd fret E string. Okay, so far. Then you're gonna play the open B string, and then followed by 4 times on the 3rd fret E string in the bass. Okay, so that was the G part. Slowly it sounds like this. Right, let's move on to the D7 sus2 chord, and yeah, that part sounds like this. Okay, still kind of the same pattern here, just different notes, and that starts with open D string together with 1st B string, followed by 2 more times on the open D string. So far. Then comes the 2nd fret G string, followed by 4 more times on the open D string. Okay, so together, this D7 chord sounds like this, slowly. Okay, and then we have the final chord here, the F chord, and that sounds like this. Okay, so this one is the chord that differs a little bit from the other. And it starts kind of in the same way. It starts with the first fret on the E string in the bass together with first fret B string, followed by 2 more times on the first fret E string. Okay, so slowly so far. Then comes the second fret G string, followed by 2 times on the first fret E string. And it ends with first fret B string and second fret G string. And that's it for F and for this melody. Let's play through this last part here, this F, and then we're gonna play the full melody, okay? But first, the F sounds like this. Okay, so let's start all over and play from the beginning till the end a little bit slower so you can be able to listen and perhaps even follow. Let's go. Yeah, and with some standard tempo it will sound like this. Alright, so that one goes round and round and round if you wish, but you can also play a strumming pattern, of course based on the same chords. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to play this one. We have kind of 2 parts. I'm gonna divide it into 2 parts to make it easier to understand everything. We can take the A minor, that is the first chord, to illustrate the strumming with. So it will sound like this first, and I will show you and then explain how it's done. So let's go. Right, so just the strumming here. We will try to emphasize some notes later, but just the strumming will be down, down, up, clap to begin with. Okay, so down, down, up, clap. Okay, down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. Easy. Then we move on to the second part. That will be down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. So down, 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 clap, down. So 3 downs and a clap and a down. So okay. So again. Down, down, a clap, down, 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 clap, down. Down, down, a clap, down, 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 clap, down, 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 a clap, down, 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 clap, down. A minor, G, D7, F. You will play just one strumming round for each chord. G, 1, D7. Alright, so that is the strumming. Now, we could also take this one step further and trying to emphasize certain notes, since in the melody here we have actually these notes that are played like these notes I'm playing now. So in this strumming, we have a place to emphasize these notes. So on the first down, we have possibility here to emphasize the first notes. In the A minor, it's the open E. This one. And right after the first clap, there is where you're gonna emphasize the next note. In A minor, that is the first fret B string. Okay, so slowly it will be like this. On this one, first down, down, up, clap. And on this, down there, you emphasize the next note, okay? And it's not easy when you're strumming, but you can have that in your mind with you. So when you can, if you can, try to kind of have this short downstroke there to have more control over which strings you're playing. And one way of emphasizing one note or one string where the note is to try to stop the strumming at that string, okay? So if you want to try to emphasize something on the B string, don't go all the way down and even play the E string, because that will give you too much sound around this one, so it gets kind of in the background, this note you want to emphasize. So that's one way, one technique of handling the emphasized notes. Okay, so that was the A minor part. And on the G, it's of course the third fret B string and open B string. So in this case it will be okay, and then D7. On the first down, you emphasize the first note, and on the down right after the first clap, you emphasize the second note. So in D7, it's the notes first fret B string and second fret G string. And on the F, it's first fret B string and second fret G string there as well. So these are the notes you want to emphasize. So let's play a couple of rounds with this kind of strumming and try to highlight some notes here, and it could sound something like this. Sorry. So on. Yeah, so that is two ways of handling this song here, melody or the strumming. Just for some information here, the first part, I kind of divided this song into 3 different parts. So in the first part, the melody is more dominant here. The first part ends in the lyrics kind of 1/3 into the song, or a bit more maybe in the lyrics. But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane right. So that's till that part that is more melody dominant. Then after that starts more of a strumming kind of feeling in the song, and this will be until almost in the end of the song. In the lyrics, one day you'll look back so glad you pursued it. So until this part here, you will play more strumming. And the last part from in the lyrics, you ain't gonna stop me now because I got this now. This is more again about this the strumming here. Yeah. So it's more about the strumming there. So it ends kind of more with the strumming in the song here and starts more with the picking, and that is how the song goes. Okay, guys, you can choose to play whatever, melody or the strumming would work anyway for this song. Good luck with this one, guys, and if you enjoy this tutorial, please let me know. Thumb up, be a subscriber, and join the family here. See you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.